Anger is a secondary emotion. It's never what we're really feeling. This is true in life. Anger is a shield. It's a safety net. It protects us. It always comes from something else. As an actor, when you're given a piece that asks you to be angry, your job is to figure out what is underneath the anger. What is pushing the anger out? What's hiding beneath it? Is it fear? Is it loneliness? Is it sadness? Is it loss? Find what is moving the anger out and identify with that emotion. Let that emotion be the driving force to the anger you're expressing. And your portrayal is going to become much deeper and much more believable. Take your piece, figure out what's pushing the anger out, and tap into that emotion. It's going to make a huge difference.